Welcome, all you icons out there in Indie Pod Land. Happy Free Ride Friday. Sorry it's a little late. Been a little busy today. Was trying to get my a lot of things working. The last 2 days have been like one thing after another breaking and one thing after another going wrong, and it just has been a rough. It's been a rough 48 hours. Actually, pretty much the whole week, because the whole week is pretty much. I had to sink a lot of time in getting things to work the way they were working, and then magically didn't work anymore. So. I'm here. It's Free Ride Friday. We're giving away 3 free 1-month free rides into the IndiePod University because I was slacking and didn't give one last week or the week before because of Icon 6 and because I was on vacation, and it just kind of slipped my mind. So here we are giving away 3 free rides today. But before we get into that, this episode is brought to you by the IndiePod University. Of course, it's where you launch, grow, and monetize your podcast with me. I'm actually working with a couple of our students one-on-one right now, and it is awesome. Like the show is it's gonna be killer. I can't wait to help them promote it. And if you're a business owner or entrepreneur and you are looking for an investor, reach out to me. Reach out to me because I got something up my sleeve. So do that. And also, if you want to learn how to win a free ride into the IndiePod University every Friday, or 3 on 1 Friday, go to indiepodcasters.com/Graham and hit that follow button, smash that follow button, and you could be a lucky winner of a 1-month free ride into the IndiePod University. What is up, Mr. Tim Gillette? How are you doing today? I'm doing pretty well, so I'm hoping you're doing great as well. Let's see. Okay, so this week we talked podcast growth with a momxiety podcast, talking. She's just getting started. Tori Levine, she's just getting her podcast started, and we went through so many things on Training Thursday. So go back and check that out if you haven't. There's just so many awesome things I mentioned that she's gonna do to move her podcast forward, like that, bam, 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 like real fast. Move that needle. We also did creativity. We talked about creativity with Icon Annette Bone. It was awesome on Wednesday. So go back and check that episode out if you didn't get to listen to it, didn't get to watch it. It's over on Indie Podcasters. It's indiepodcasters.com. Or you can watch it here in the Facebook community. If you're not a part of the Facebook community, why not go to indiepodcasters.com/group? And then we also this week, so for inspirational or motivational Monday, I asked for people to tell the story of how they got started with their podcast, and there's so many stories here. Go back and find that post. It was, thank you everybody for posting all of the great all the great stories. It's so inspirational to see how everybody else got their start with their podcast and are keeping that ball rolling. So speaking of keeping that ball rolling, without any further ado, the 3 Instagram followers that have until Tuesday to reach out to me is at Catherine O, at The Blind Dad, and at uncrushed org. So uncrushed _org. So if you are one of those 3 people, please reach out to me by Tuesday to win your free month ride into the IndiePod University to help you move the needle on your podcast. Stacy Greenberg, we got to catch up. How are you doing, ma'am? I hope you're doing very well. It's been a little too long since we've gotten to chat and catch up. Been a little busy, but sorry, I'm getting messages from Icon Tyson Franklin about something that I messaged him about. Anyway, Yeah, so that's it. Catherine at Catherine O at the Blind Dad and at uncrushed_org. You are on the clock to get in touch with me. You can go to Joe, or you can send an email to Joe at indiepodcasters.com and let me know, and we will get you that link to sign up for your free month of the Indie Pod University. All right, so I'm gonna get out of here. Before I go though, mark your calendar for October 24th. That will be our next virtual conference. It'll be free. It'll be here in the IndiePod University, or not IndiePod University, IndiePod community. So looking forward to that. And the speaker call will go out in I don't know, probably a week or two. I got some big things on the horizon that I need to get out of the way. Until then, I'll see you all tomorrow for Social Saturday, and of course Shine on Sunday. So get your newest episode ready, get your newest product ready, get your newest service ready that you're offering, and get ready to share it on Sunday and your social media on Saturday. So have a great day, everyone, or a great night, everyone, because it's already 5:30. Take care and have a great weekend ahead.